In this morning, you guys saw me clean up some of my clothes, and now I'm making some pancakes and eggs just to have a nice little breakfast. And then I have to run today. I need to clean today. I'm going to organize some stuff, so it'll be a good little start into this weekend in my life. Okay guys, I don't even know what time it is. It's 1:30 and I have had such a slow start to my day. It's not even funny. Also, you guys know the drill. Some Goose shoes. I'm gonna go run, so I'm gonna eat like 8 of these, 9 of these, 8. Oh my god. 10-second roll, 3-second. Anyways, my period today is just like kicking my ass. Like I just, you know, like that lower tummy, lower back feeling has kicked in. That's me right now. Anyways, I'm going to start running. I hate my color combination today, but this is so warm. Like this is literally so warm. And I have my Nike thing over top. I might try to like find something else to wear because like I just hate these colors together. But like I said, I'm really warm because this is fleece. So we'll see, but I need to get this run in, and then I'm gonna come home and shower, and I'm gonna do my makeup so that I can feel good about myself today. Not that I need makeup, but I'm just saying like it's the act of it. It's like the cutesy little girly act of putting makeup on. I'm trying to beat this headache. It's not my day, but I hope I have a good run to kind of rejuvenate my body. So I'll see you guys after. Okay, ignore how red and blotchy my face is right now. I just sprayed my like post-run spray. Also, it's like really windy out, so I'm windburned. Like I look like I'm sunburned, but really I'm not. This is what happens when it's so freaking cold out. Anyways, I'm gonna try that little thing that people do when they get like a Greek yogurt and then mix a protein in with it. I don't actually eat like a protein, like a whey protein mixture anymore. I've had so many. Never has it ever made me not feel like shit. Like my body literally just doesn't process it. I was on like Orgain plant protein for a while. I just can't. Like it all hurts my stomach. So I no longer consume whey proteins, but I'm gonna mix it in my Greek yogurt and see what it tastes like. The yogurt was actually so good, and then I got my Amazon stuff in the mail. Realized that I can start ordering my Bondi Sands on Amazon, and it is always at least like $3 to $4 cheaper than what it normally is. Like I was buying these at Walgreens or Walmart or Target for like 25 bucks. This was $19, and it's the same ounces and everything, because I was like, oh, it must be like a smaller one. Nope. And then I also got some new pillowcases. Oh wait, these aren't the pillowcases. These are new compression running socks. And then I got new pillowcases. These are just some like standard size, and they're white ruffles. So I got those for the old pillows, because the old pillows still have some fluff to them. Really wanted just some like roughly pillowcases, and these were like the cheapest, and they were 100%, almost 100% cotton. So like, hell yeah. And then I just got compression socks. And they're for running or anything like that. I just remember a girl that I follow on TikTok who's into running had posted these, and I was like, these are like the most perfect length crew socks. They're crew socks, so they're not ankle socks, and they have really good reviews. And with, you know, hopefully spring and warmer weather coming back up, I feel like this will be nice when I have shorts on. So I'll link those socks and those pillow shams down below, as well as the Bondi Sands, because that is such a steal. I love that. I need to shower literally ASAP. Okay guys, I just filmed a get ready with me while I talk about our 2025 fashion trends. I have zero credibility, like who knows? I just pay attention to a lot of different runways and things like that, and my Pinterest like For You page or Pinterest algorithm is so curated to all those fashions, and then I follow all the people that are like the fashion predictors, and I watch like their boards that are public. So there's my credibility. But make sure you guys are following me on TikTok, and also make sure you guys are following me or subscribing to my channel, because anything that I post on TikTok 9 times out of 10 makes it to YouTube Shorts, and I also sometimes just post exclusive YouTube Shorts. So I'm gonna plug that really quick. But I did a very quick makeup look today. It's just very glowy, everyday makeup. So yeah, I need to finish doing my laundry now because I have even more laundry to do than what you guys saw earlier. So let's go see. Guys, if you've never used these little boot clip, I think is what they are, to hang your athletic clothes, I 10 out of 10 recommend. It's like so easy. They come in packs of like 20. I think I've got like 2 packs of 20 and they work so well. I literally love them. And it looks like really aesthetic in the closet. Like you can tell just easily what shorts are what. I do like my sports bras, my nicer Free People movement tank tops and stuff like that. Just things that I don't want to shove like in a dresser but want to hang up. And it looks really nice and it's easy to see what is clean on the hanger. Hey babes, don't mind my TV in the back, but I am gonna go to my best friend's house. She lives literally right over the river from me, like 4 minutes away. So I'm obviously gonna put some pants on because it's freezing out, but I'm gonna head over there and I just figured I'd check in with you guys because I don't know how long I'll be there. I don't know if when I come home I'll be able to close out the vlog, but if I do, it might be like a little night routine or something. But if not, I will see you guys tomorrow morning for Sunday morning while I'm getting ready for church. So I just wanted to put that disclaimer just in case I don't close the vlog out. Okay guys, good afternoon. It's not even good morning, it's definitely an afternoon, but I just wanted to check in and show you guys the huge box that I have from Desenio. So if you guys haven't heard of Desenio, I actually worked with them way back when in college whenever I did like my college room tour. So I've been using their wall art for literally years and I got to work with them again and I'm really excited. So not in this vlog, but maybe like apartment tour or something like that. I'm gonna be collabing with them and showing you guys all the really cool wall art. And I got like, I think like 5 pieces of different things that I got to pick out and it's gonna look so good. So I'm very excited. It's gonna be very inspired for like spring and just, you know, kind of refreshing my apartment after January and how kind of depressing this month can be. So definitely make sure you guys are keeping an eye out for that, but I just wanted to show you that really quick. I just got dressed, I did my makeup, I made a couple YouTube shorts and some TikToks, and it's 2:06 now. So I need to go to Target. I need to get just like household stuff like trash bags and things like that. So I'm gonna go pick up my best friend. We're gonna make a Target run. And then as you know, or if you guys didn't know already, I live in Kansas City. So the AFC Championship game's on. So we're gonna be watching Chiefs play Buffalo. Big deal around here. Andrew, my boyfriend, he's actually at the game, so he just left. But yeah, I'm gonna go to Target. I'm taking advantage of like people probably posting up and wanting to watch the game, and hopefully it's not busy. I'm wearing a Lulu scuba that I actually thrifted, and yes, it's real. I thrifted this Lulu scuba. It's like my favorite thing in the world, but the collar does kind of choke the shit out of me sometimes, so I have to like try really hard to keep it like this. And then I'm just wearing some glow mode leggings. When I get back to my apartment, I need to clean. Like, I need to get some shit cleaned up. So that's probably what I'm gonna focus on once I get back. My Alani is starting to hit my blood. I don't even know what that means. Like, my Alani is like getting in my bloodstream, and I'll see you guys in a second. I'm back from Target. Didn't film anything at Target, obviously, because it really just was anticlimactic. I literally just got cat food and trash bags. I think the most exciting thing I got was some Oreos. Love that for me. Kombucha, tampons, that's literally it. Like I just like household stuff. I'm going to clean. I need to do the dishes and stuff like that. So I will just kind of do like a little montage video-esque kind of dealio of me cleaning. And then I will probably do a little sippy sip of some adult beverages when the ball game comes on. Hi, Dream. And we've got the sleepiest boy right here. He's just sleepy boy. He's so handsome. Oh my gosh, you're so handsome. But yeah, I'm gonna clean and I will see you guys after I clean. Okay guys, I got the Christmas tree out of the way. You can see like the corner of the living room now. Obviously there's so much more I need to do with my apartment. It's just nice to have that corner cleaned up. So the Christmas tree is in the guest bed now. And then if we go over here to the kitchen, it's like one of those like dinner nights where I know I just have like ground beef and a lot of like veggies and rice. Gonna have to do like a pilgrim meal. That's what me and my boyfriend call it. It's just like when you have to literally mix everything together. Apartment's clean. I have about an hour until the game comes on and like 30 to 45 minutes till my best friend comes over. So I'm just getting some like things picked up and wiped down and just kind of enjoying the alone time. And I've been snacking on some Oreo Thins. So freaking good. I forgot how good those were. Also, I'm sorry I'm blinking so much. My eyes are really dry. Like my contacts are so dry right now. I'm over it. I can tell that it's getting warmer out and like that seasonal allergy is kicking in because I feel it. I like feel it in my eye. Look how cute this koozie. It covers up what I'm drinking. So for legal purposes, even though it's not illegal to say that I'm drinking something, but just to be appropriate, it is really cute and pink and adorable. I am gonna show you guys what I conjure up for dinner, and then this might be the end of the vlog. I don't know. I'll check back in once I'm done with dinner.